Hey guys, welcome to Tech Review. So Google has finally announced the Google Pixel Watch, and after over 2 years of rumors about a smartwatch coming from Google, we finally have gotten official confirmation that it will indeed be arriving later this year along with the Google Pixel 7. The design of the Google Pixel Watch is pretty simple, and it features a round shape with the crown on the right side of the watch. Google so far has only shown a silver color of the watch, but it is very likely that other colors might be available, and it's also possible that there might be different sizes of the watch. Leakers so far have claimed that the Pixel Watch will use the same sensors as Samsung's Galaxy Watch 4, and the Galaxy Watch 4 has a bioactive sensor as Samsung calls it. This basically allows the watch to monitor not only heart rate, but also ECG and body fat percentage. A more recent leak adds that the watch may use an older Exynos chip that Samsung had first used in its 2018 Galaxy Watch. Now we don't know why Google might be using this older chip, but it could possibly be that they're doing this for battery life, as the 2018 Galaxy Watch actually had pretty good battery life. After Google's recent acquisition of Fitbit, it really makes sense that Google is probably going to take advantage of Fitbit's fitness tracking expertise. In the past, Google Wear OS partner watches that have been made by companies like Fossil and TicWatch have lacked health tracking features compared to smartwatches from either Apple or Samsung. In terms of pricing, if we were to take a look at Google's recent Pixel 6 that offered a flagship phone without a large cost, it is pretty likely that Google will also price its Pixel Watch below its competitors. So therefore, we should probably expect to see the Pixel Watch cost somewhere between $250 and $350 US. If Google wants to actually be able to compete with Apple and Samsung, they will also have to get all the features right, and they will also have to get the price right. But I'm really excited to see what Google's going to bring, but I hope you guys liked today's video. That's it for today's video.